Hello guys, let me guide you for steel calculation for RCC footing. Guys, you can see this is RCC footing which is designed for 3-story building. Size is 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. At the middle, guys, you can see this is RCC column and these are steel reinforcement. The red lines you can see, these are main bars and distribution bars in this top view. On the other side, this is its section. So in this section, guys, you can see the steel reinforcement which we provided single mesh, and this is RCC column. At the bottom, we did the PPC with the ratio of 1:4:8, right? So how to calculate quantity of steel in this RCC footing, right? So guys, you can see the given data is size of the footing is 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. Depth of the beam is 1 meter. We don't require the depth of the beam. The main thing is here, which is size of the footing. Next, diameter of steel, which is 12 millimeter with the spacing of 150 centimeter center to center. Right here, guys, you can see this is specially for this 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 150 centimeter center to center, right? Next, guys, you can see here length of one bar is 1.5 meter. You can see, guys, 1.5 meter is this one, so one steel rod is 1.5 meter. Next, how to calculate total numbers of bar on one side. Okay, so number of bars, so 1.5 meter divided by 0.15, so 150 centimeter should be 150 millimeter should be convert to the meter. Okay, so you should divide it on 1000, so you will get the value 0.15 meter, right? So therefore the 1.5 meter, which is length, this one or this one, it's up to you, right? But first of all, you have to take the length of steel or length of the footing or this width of the footing. It's depend on the size of the footing, because this is square footing, so both is the same thing. So 1.5 meter divided by center to center distance between two steel rods, which is 0.15 meter or 150 centimeter plus 1, right? So is equal, we required 11 numbers of steel rod on one side. Guys, you can see 11 numbers on the other side, because this is 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter. So the one side we required 11 numbers of steel rod, length divided by center to center, which is spacing 0.15. So the total numbers are required, 22 numbers of steel rods are required, which length is 1.5 meter for each one. So the total length of bar is 22 multiply 1.5 meter is the length of one steel. So the total length is required for this footing which we want to construct and calculate the quantity of steel. So we required 33 meter of length. So we require total weight of steel. So total weight of steel, d square divided by 162. D should be in the millimeter, multiply total length, guys, you can see. So this is the formula to find the weight of steel in kg per meter. So d square, where the d square is what, guys, you can see clearly, which is 12 millimeter. So it should be in millimeter. 12 millimeter divided 12 millimeter multiply 12 millimeter, because this is square divided by 162, multiply the total length. So guys, you can see here 12 multiply 12 divided by 162 multiply 33. So we require 29 kgs of steel to construct this RCC footing, guys, you can see. So this is single mesh. If you have the double mesh, so you can use the same formula. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.